So IFS was started in the 1980s, and it started in the nuclear industry, where some students from Linköping, which is a small town in mid-Sweden, 3 guys from the university started a software company within the nuclear industry, managing their assets in the nuclear industry. And from there it turned into IFS applications, what we have today. IFS now operates in 11 industry verticals: oil and gas, automotive, process intensive manufacturing, and aerospace and defence. And I suppose over the last 10 years we've invested quite heavily in our defence product, delivering maintenance, repair and overhaul and enterprise asset management solutions into defence. But over the last few years we've seen the growth in civil aviation, and we're now looking to move our software into that market with our MRO capabilities. So we provide fleet management, so in terms of managing your fleet of assets and the availability of that fleet, recording the configuration of that fleet, down from the kind of the model structure from the OEMs and how that asset is being used and utilised, trying to gain the optimum efficiency out of that asset. We then have 3 distinct MRO capabilities. So we have the base maintenance, where you want to come and do your C checks and your upgrades and your modification embodiments. We can do complex assembly, so in terms of engine overhaul or landing gear or APU management, and we have a line maintenance capability as well. The software is very configurable, so if they need to add extra fields or extra base data tables, or if they want to change the look and feel of how the application works, they can do that themselves. They don't have to come back to IFS for a modification to add an extra field to a form. And we launched Lobbies, which is a very interactive dashboard that, as a user, when you come in, you get immediate feedback from the ERP in terms of what you need to do today. So if you're a maintenance technician with a work pack that you need to release, you'll be told instantly what work packs are available for release and what work you'll need to do. And we find this a really intuitive way for users to understand their role within the ERP and what it is they have to do without having to go to multiple screens to do their job. They get all that info in one place. So, one area we see as a growth area is enterprise operation intelligence. So this is understanding in terms of your business processes and your strategy, how you're performing. And a lot of our customers will have multiple or siloed operational systems. So they may be using IFS for maintenance, but they may have other systems, other IT packages, other software packages for managing other parts of their business. And we've got an enterprise operational layer that we can put over the top of that to give the customer a kind of a 360-degree view of how they're performing, and be able to drive down into the processes themselves to see where issues are occurring and be able to make continuous improvement changes and drive better performance at their company.